everyone, it's Jaylyn from Jaylyn Cooking, and today we're going to do a split pea soup. It's one of our favorites, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the broth. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of onion soup and 6 cups of water, and I'm going to make a broth. And I'm going to heat that up. Mix it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take an onion and 3 garlics and chop it up. And I'm cutting it in half because it's pretty thick. And if I cut it the normal way that I cut it, it'll give really thick pieces. So this way, it will not cut as thick. And then I'm just going to mince the onions. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them in my pot. Now this is I'm going to do it in the crock pot. And I actually got a foodie that does crock pot, Instapot, and air fryer combination, so it's nice. So now I've consolidated that consolidated my crock pot and my air fryer down to 2. So I ended up getting a foodie. If you remember Tina, she had one and she really loved it, and it's nice because it's a combination of an air fryer, a crock pot, and an Instapot. So I'm going to be using that instead of my regular crock pot. So you can do this exactly as I'm doing it here and use your crock pot instead of an Instapot, or you can use your Instapot. Okay, so now I'm going to put in a ham hock and put that in the center. And then I'm going to add a little bit more ham. So I'm going to cut up some ham that I had into bite-sized pieces. And we're going to leave the fat on. Alright, and I'm going to add that to the pot. This is a really simple, easy recipe. And you can do this before work in the morning and set it for 4 hours or 8 hours depending on when you want. I'm now adding about a cup of lentils, or sorry, a cup of split peas. I do happen to have a yellow split peas, but you can do green also. It's just what I happen to have. And our stock is ready, so we're going to add that. Here, ready. And I do need to add a little bit more water because I like to cover the ham hock. mostly. There we go. Alright, and then we're gonna put it in. Put on our lid. There we go. It's on. We're gonna do slow cook, high, and 4 hours. And start. And there we go, and we'll see you in 4 hours to see what it looks like. Alright, see you in 4 hours.
4 hours later.
Hi everyone, I'm back and the soup is ready. So let's go ahead. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to that. Alrighty. And that looks really good. Go ahead and try it. It's really hot. It's good. Alright, there we go. Split pea soup. And it's a very good meal with lots of ham and split peas. And I want to thank everybody for tuning in today's show. And remember to hit the like, subscribe, the share button, and the notification bell so you know when next shows up. Alright everyone, have a great day. Bye.